gathered here on our request. Today we are holding this press conference in view of the Foundation Day of APHLC to be celebrated on 21 January at Donkampi. Invitation to APHLC Foundation Day celebration 2023. Welcome to all. We are very happy to inform all the people that the All-Party Hill Leaders Conference APHLC of the Autonomous Districts of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dimha Hasao of Assam is celebrating its 5th Foundation Day on the 21st day of January 2023. We invite you to join the celebration and encourage us for our struggle for survival of the scheduled tribes people. The celebration will be held at Donkampi, that is Bordongka in West Karbi Anglong, Autonomous District of Assam. The program of celebration will begin at 9 a.m. The APHLC is struggling for full implementation of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India and creation of autonomous state under Article 244A of the Indian Constitution, comprising the autonomous districts of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dimha Hasao of Assam. All are aware that the hills people of the 3 hills districts of Assam are the poorest economically and educationally, most backward and mentally most unaware in Assam, according to reports published by different organizations. There are 1 lakh children who have not seen school. There are 14,000 child laborers and 9,000 child marriages in the year 2020. And 90% of dwelling houses of hills people are constructed of bamboo and mud plastered houses only. Now the numbers will be more. In 1951, scheduled tribe population was 96%. Now it has come down to below 50%. It is due to unabated encroachment of tribal land by non-Assamese, non-tribal people and foreigners from outside the 3 autonomous hills districts. This deplorable status has occurred because political, economic and educational powers of the tribes people are usurped by non-Assamese, non-tribal people and foreigners through the back doors of national political parties by violating provisions of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India and the Indian Constitution itself. Thank you. Nelly Nelly Tunki Pugela hello. APHLC Foundation Day non Arkoi Inquiry Siarni Donkampi along si dopo don kampi puke lake non pubong a bordong ka puke lake itum alam kalide amunit ke adet ke itum adet pina na sinil itum don kampi along si foundation day dopo halabang sorni jok tanang dun et nang ji pusi nilitum choning rile pere re pin pen ning oi e pin pen ning mesen pen ning karong pen nang chetong dun tha pusi tribes atum phan an ke choning rile la pen ilitum la APHLC ke do ia ke asamang bong ke Karbiang Long pen NC Hills la pen West Karbiang Long hello ki duk nei economic mane la Chorana na tu Woreng na tu ilitum kiduk nei kachotikia na tuta kiduk nei la pen kachini neta ilitum ke akele tu pik pusi bang army tum ta kaning jail la pen army tum ta pulo Karbiang Long ke in botang lu pusi kaning jail la bang inquiry at office kaning jail kang bo bang la hello Parokresir kebra pokebra isian ingkan ke ilitum inglong asuatum bang parong bongpen bang troksir kebra trokdu non surihini ra kresian ingkan ke bang parong bongpen bang klikebra troksi baksi dolo cethana ling seta bang pokeb ke kalilun aberlo an ke aloting pulotante ilitum Karbiang Long pusiki pubongji lapen ke tribal areas pusiki pubongji pulotang te siksidula tengpen pulotang te ong in nei sita bang harong bong pen bang pokebrai sige dovek nanji tanon ke bang pokebrai sige avelu lahelo kang bo pu iya din ilitum kang bo ke political aja kong economic aja kong education aja kong ta ke chia tum si cerai lap le a ot e pen nang tidun lap le la pen a pot paper long ta newspaper long ta klang lo Abirta long ta klang lo la pen ason statistics along ta klang lo Karbiang Long de lak isi Karbiang also maratum school okay tek dun long le lak dun long le lak tek long le lak tu sia da ke tok lapen ke suri krep li also maratu Karbiang so maratu ban si ke duk pusi da report ta nangali ban si ke dolo nang litum solang do a newspaper long lang tami la so alam lapen statistics along ta doji Assam government along ta lapen ke kiduk pen a jok kachini ne pen a jok arta kavi au somartum penan ke do pisuge en ta suri sirkep pusi dakdu lage 2020 aninkan suri hinira inkoy aninkan non ke suri hinira inkoy ke thomlo non ke ong tu buchot ko lai hui ke plan ia theke ilitum a political ajakong education ajakong lapen ke economic ajakong ke chia tum nang tidun ya nang ki tidun ta la national party ko tum king ben si backdoor pen mane anung atau war ha hem anung atau war pen si ang hu hem anung ang hap pen si nang ki ludun si nang ki tidun ilitung inglong arat akhe a hem anung anatu pen si nang ki tidun ta ang hap amang ta la political national political party itu melu Congress BJP CPIM latum melu latum king besi nang ludun la si non elitum inglong asuk la pen Karbiang tum ke dukret lo la pen ki vir si non dampom lo la so kapi vir vedet ya pansi kapi vir long le det ya pansi nelitum APHLC ke song bom lo la long kaduk ko vita nang cerap dun bom lo Churolo nang cerap dun bom lo aku nang cerap dun tu buncot na la usi kadu panda choning rilo la pen ke la foundation day mo inquiry sir ni January don come pialong kadu panda choning rilo nang dun tu busi Tardong.
Arnisi panan wet kadila bang sopo.
Arnisi be. Bagi sir kepen.
Nang litum la karbiang long pen ang tan karbi tum han stomach ke phar la puson dom.
Dulu. Karbi Anglong ke ang tan ke dua karbi itu mana phalo. Cuma ngatum danang dunji pulo. Boro tum danang dunji pulo. La pen Tripura pen ta wangji pulo. Nagaland pen Mizoram pen Meghalaya pen ta wangji pusi alam do. Boroland pen do.
Acha sir.
Asamis tum da doji. Asamis tum da doji.
Acha sir isi out of topic alama pathak arju chini tung la non lom KSA claim bang khu la pen hala Sri Mongol la lam penang an lam ki la so puthak lam ki ke klang do la si la so puthak nang litum la APH si hoi pen ko pilo sir la so puthak la
Hemanung dilut pa. La solam pag ni ditum chisik et lo. Pinisi ke dami pula hala bang so hemalong. Amasi Abirta ke pinili tum wangi pula non Abirta long lelang bodi. Long lelang. Manem ni tum ni wa namra ko aning oi tulak na puta kamatha amasi Abirta ke en la si dami pula ni tum arju dami kopia themala. Kopi mala ka plan. Athema ni tum garjulong ating ke civil dress pen si police pu si ache krong pu body la si kilut pu police kaligat ma athema chu kedam tang KAAC council election hota police pu che krong si RSS dum si police address a uniform ching choice si police pu ache krong si kame claim pu body hala polling station na lo nganta la si nonta RSS atuma bongo sena atuma lahem kilut la sini tum la arjudam pe meji pusi mata